wake up with thunder inside of my chest. No storm outside, but I still can't rest. Everybody's moved on, they all look fine, while I trace scars like they're warning signs. Called it love, but they called it late. Only showed up when it's tied to fate. Thoughts and prayers, but no real face. Now I'm just haunted by empty space. They say I should let go, just forgive, just breathe. But they never held what was killing me. I'm not angry, just worn to bone, carrying ghosts that don't leave me alone. Ghost weight in my rib cage. I've been living in a slow fade. No one asked what it cost to stay, so I learned to smile the pain away. I don't want revenge, I don't want flame. I just want peace that remembers my name. They called it normal, I called it hell. Silence raised me, I raised myself. You can't compare me to who you left. Not when I lived through his every breath. Built my worth in the dark unseen. No silver spoons, no in between. So don't look shocked when I don't reply. I gave my all, they let it die. Some things aren't fixed with family's blood. Some things drown no matter the flood. I tried, I swear I held on tight, but even shadows need rest at night. Ghost weight in my ribcage, still breathing in the same gray. They moved on, but I replay every word they didn't say. I don't want flame, I don't need fame, just a quiet room that knows my name. Ghost weight in my rib cage. I've been living in a slow fade. No one asked what it cost to stay, so I learned to smile the pain away. I don't want revenge, I don't want flame. I just want peace that remembers my name.